My message would be that I think we expect from decision makers to make decisions fast in reaction to events, and not to make theories to prove that this decision is the best, that it has to be chosen. So this we understand. But when I go to companies, sometimes I see people, a board of directors, with full of spreadsheets on computers, and who seem to rely on the very simple models like spreadsheets. These are linear models. And often in politics, I hear also very simple ideas, like to increase the tax revenues, we should increase the taxes, but we have non-linear behaviors, and the complex world is not linear, and so you have non-linear phenomena that if you increase the tax, perhaps you will decrease the revenues. And in the company it's the same. If you focus on profitable products and delete the other products, perhaps you will decrease your income because your customers will not come because they wanted also to find the other products and things like that. And so my message is just that yes, decision makers have to make decisions, but this kind of use of simple models is really not the way to go. We have to recognize the complexity of the world, and the simple ideas should not justify this decision. And so I don't claim that we have to make a complex model, but at least to be aware of this complexity and non-linear behaviors, and recognize that. I think my message would be really to do in life what you like. So at 18 years old, you probably don't know very well what you like, but that's a good question to have. What do you like in life? And it can be anything. But it is where you will be probably at best, and at best and the most useful to the others in this domain that you like, and where you have a great job. And if it is in research, I am a researcher, so I can speak about research. Really, the pleasure to understand is something totally fundamental, and the pleasure we take in our hard job of working on hard questions, reading a lot of papers, and thinking hard, concentrating hard on these questions also give a lot of pleasure when we make some advances. And so I have a very Epicurean view at research, and when I go to a PhD thesis defense, the first question I ask to myself is whether this person got pleasure in his research. That's my first question for me before the other ones. But more generally, this is what I would say to young people. Don't be afraid of the challenges, don't be afraid of that moving society, this major transition in the society, but know yourself and know what you like, and go ahead with what you like.